Okay, is it working? Okay, cool. So this is what I've been trying to teach you for the past long time. And the reason why I'm doing it now is because tomorrow is the math CST, or at least part 2 of it. And I do not want to wake up early tomorrow. So yeah. Okay, this is the equation that we're going to be using, or is the example or whatnot. And this is the correct answer. Yes, I checked. Using Miss Powers' method or whatnot. Okay, so the first thing you do is you take this first coefficient or term thing to the 4th power, as usual. And that would be 81 x to the 4th power. Okay. Next, we take this term, 81, and multiply it to its exponent, which is 4. So multiply, that's 4, 324. Okay, next, you take this number, what you got, 324, and divide it by this term, which is 3, or a coefficient or not. So divide, and that would be 128. Then you take this number and multiply it by this term, which is 2. Multiply, that's 216. And that should be your next term. Okay, next you do the same thing again, which is taking this, multiplying by the exponent, 0, 1, 4, 2, 36, 648, and then you divide it by 3, or 186, 216, multiply by 2, 432. Now this time you see that there's 2 terms. So then you would take this number and divide it by 2. So 1, 2, divided by 2, and that would equal 2, wait, what? Yeah, okay. 216, and that would be your next term. Okay, so next you would do the same thing again, and you would do the same thing for the rest of this. So 216 multiplied by 2, that would be 432 divided by 3 is 113, 144. Now this time you see that you have 3 terms on the board, so then you would take this number and divide it by 3. Okay, so that would be 424, that would be 48. What? Oh, I forgot to multiply by 2. Okay. Yeah, so multiply by 2. 619, 96. So 96 would be your next term. And as you can see, the exponents for each of these variables keep going down by 1 as always. Then you do the same thing over again. So 96 multiplied by, there's 1 here. So 96 multiplied by 1 is still 96. Divide by 3. That would equal 32. Multiply by 2. 4. That's 64. And then you see this. there's 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you would divide by 4. That'd be 16. And then 16 would be your very last term. And as you can see, the answer that we found matches the answer that I found with Miss Power's method, and apparently it's correct. And if you're still not sure about it, you can take this first coefficient and take it to whatever power, and then if it matches, then so far it's correct. And you take 2 to the 4th power, that's 16, so that's also correct. So then yes, this is the correct answer. The end. Woo!